Yes, thank you for being there, all of you, and we're gonna continue. We're gonna review. So today, at this time, we're gonna revise everything we already studied, and we're gonna start with Mubidi, which is Mubidi, which is the body. We're gonna learn about the body, the human body. Okay. We're going to learn about the human body. And so, here we go. We're going to start from head to toes. We have mutwe, head. If you know, you can say, you can give the answer. Mutwe means head. And I'll be showing the part of the head. So mutwe means the head. The whole head is one mutwe. And then we have Mievu, it's bear. Okay, you remember bear? Okay? Mievu. Then we have Kutui. Kutui is ear. Okay? We have Ditama, cheek. The cheek
means more cheeks.
2 cheeks. Or more, okay, more cheek. I agree with that. Then we have Mbanga. Mbanga is this part.
The chin.
Wait a minute. Yeah, the chin. You're right. The chin. Then we have Ludimi. It's the tongue.
Ludimi.
The tongue. Okay? And then we have Dino. A tooth. Tooth. Meno. Teeth. Okay? And then comes Pala. Forehead. Pala. Yeah. Sometimes when you think pala is not only forehead, it's maybe the whole face. Okay? Which represent you. Really, that this is Impala. So, but to be very specific, it's really the forehead. Pala. Then we have, oh gee, I don't want to say. We have mouth. Kanwa. Mouth. It's kanwa. Okay? Then after that comes eyebrow. It's makiki. Eyebrows are makiki. Okay? Then comes, let me know if it's upside down sometime. I don't see what's going on there. Kofio. It's eyelashes. Okay? And then we have eyes are diso. Eye is diso. Meso eyes. You know where eyes are when I'm talking about. I don't have to point them. And then we have mulu.
Nose.
You remember what I explained about mulu? If you say mulu, it's gonna be heaven, and if you say mulu, it's really the nose. Okay? And then we have a lip. It's mulomo. Lips are milomo. Milomo, the lips. And one, it's gonna be milomo. And we have the neck. It's shingo. Shingo. Yes, shingo. Then we have shoulders. Mapuji. If it's one, it's dipuji. Yeah. And then we have the arm is kuwoko. Kuwoko. Maboko means two arms at least. Huh? And then we have, give me a few seconds, we have the hands, it's dikasa. And it's many of them are makasa. And we have the chest is kiadi. Yeah, kiadi. And many biadi. And then we have the belly. It's divumo.
Divumo. And then
Divumo.
more bellies
It's
are mavumo.
Mavumo. Very good, Steve. It was interesting. Then we have the west. It's Kifuka.
Kifuka.
Kifuka, and many of them are Bifuka. Very good. And then we have Mbavu, it's the coast. It's the rib or the coat, the rib. Okay, ribs are called Mbavu. Ribs are called Mbavu. So in each side, okay, each side we have Mbavu. Okay, somebody can break his Mbavu when he falls. You can break the ribs. You know the ribs can get broken easily. Then we have the back. Your back is called Nyuma. Nyuma is somebody turn is giving you his Nyuma. Is giving you his back. Then we have the unusual word is ditako, which is bat. One bat is ditako, two bats is matako. Okay, and then we have the lap, or which I call thigh initially, or the hips. Let's call it hips instead, or lap. I love that. Lap is dikuta. Yeah. Kuta and makuta, and then we have leg. The old leg is kulu. We use our kulu to walk around. Kulu, okay? Kulu. And many of them is maulu. Very good, very good. Then after that, we have then comes. Give me a second. Then comes kunui. Kunui is knee. Okay? Knee. You know what knee is. I had the picture here on the body. The knee is the two between two sides. So between the hip, between the hip and then you can say hip. Yeah, the kunui, it's exactly where the patella is, which linking the two legs. Okay, and when I say two legs, let's say the kunui. It's right on in the middle of the leg. I can present it that way. I don't want to get into medical words. So that's kunui. Okay, and the plural is what? Manui. Donc kunui it's one and manui two. Okay. Okay. So we have that. So in the between thigh and then yes, between the thigh and the leg. And in Kiluba we don't have that differentiation of those two. It's just leg. Okay. Then after that, we have the following one. It's we have somebody remember munenge wakulu. Munenge wakulu. I presented munenge wakulu as this part below kunui or below the knee and then the foot. Okay, but in front of it. And then we have binyantilo or kinyantilo, which is the plantar of the foot, in the bottom of the foot. Okay, that's what, and I put a little picture here to show the bottom there, that's plantar of the foot. Then we have which is binyantilo. Then we have the other part, which is, I just want to show that. Kapondo. Kapondo, the name is interesting, I like it. Kapondo or tupondo, it's the talus, which is this part. See, Kiluba has also many words here and there. As we learn, we discover. And then we have Dina. Dina is one toe. Dina is one toe. Mana, many of them. So we have Dina and Manas over here. And then I also was pleased to present Diala or Kiala. Kiala is nails, okay? The nails. And so if one nail is Kiala or Diala, more Diala I can say, and then what do I am I in my mind right mind? So but that's why you need to know, and I just too many words here and there for you to retain. And okay, we're gonna continue. So what do you think? You retain something from those bunch of words I gave to you?
Well, the legs are named. Wait. Let's see, because I covered the whole picture.
So the last one, for instance, Diala, Diala, and then
I forgot
Diala.
what shingo was.
Hmm?
I forgot what shingo was.
Shingo. Say shingo.
Shingo.
Neck. Very good. At least you remember something in all those teachings. So, and what's your favorite word, or what's your favorite part of this revision? I love asking that question. We're gonna stop in a few minutes.
Let's see.
Somebody has a favorite part or favorite word?
Head.
It says you retain Mutwe's head. Somebody has written something. So we'll keep revising. So this is a lot of vocabulary. Go ahead.
I don't know what the lips called.
The lips. Lips is mulomo. Mulomo is one. Many of them lips are milomo.
Wasn't there one named Kitwe or something?
Mutwe. Mutwe is the head.
Oh,
The whole head is mutwe. So we have mutwe head, eyes are meso, and then we have teeth are meno, and we have many words. So play with them and retain something, and it takes one word at a time. Before you know it, you're speaking fluently like everybody else. So let's keep working hard. Let's nail it, as we said. As we're working hard, we'll make a difference, and we'll know the language, and we can teach that to everybody else who doesn't know. So looking forward to seeing you. Shalapo and
Shalapo. Shalapo.
Shalapo. Shalapo.